If you're looking to quickly build muscle without a gym or any equipment, you're in the right spot. In this video, I will detail 6 incredible bodyweight exercises that can change your physique using just your own strength and effort. If you are committed to making gains, stay with me until the end and let's get started. Plank. The plank may seem straightforward, but don't underestimate it. This exercise is a powerhouse for your core. It is one of the most effective movements for building deep core strength as it works the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, obliques, and transverse abdominis, which are essential for core stability. Unlike crunches or sit-ups that mainly focus on the front abs, planks engage your entire midsection, which results in better balance, stability, and overall strength. This is why athletes, gymnasts, and fighters highly value it. It creates real functional core power. Additionally, planks target not only your abs but also your shoulders, chest, lower back, and glutes. The longer you hold a plank, the more endurance your muscles will develop, making you more resilient against fatigue in other workouts. Moreover, daily planking can enhance your posture and reduce the risk of lower back pain, making it one of the finest full-body strength exercises out there. You don't need any equipment for this. Begin by getting into a forearm plank position, with your elbows positioned under your shoulders, your back straight, and your core tight. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Avoid sagging your hips or raising your butt. Engage your core and maintain this posture for 30 to 60 seconds. If you're a beginner, start with 3 sets of 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration. For an extra challenge, try side planks, plank to push-ups, or weighted planks. Squats. When it comes to developing lower body muscle, nothing surpasses squats. They are the ultimate compound movement, working multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. If your goal is to achieve thicker legs, explosive power, or stronger glutes, squats are vital. They replicate natural movements like sitting and standing, which improve mobility, strengthen joints, and boost athletic performance. One significant advantage of squats is their ability to trigger the release of growth hormones such as testosterone, aiding in muscle building and fat loss. Additionally, since they engage your core and lower back, they also enhance posture and stability. Bodyweight squats might appear easy initially, but executing them with proper form and progressively increasing your repetitions can make them as effective as weighted squats for muscle endurance and definition. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest elevated, and core engaged. Lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground, ensuring that your knees do not extend beyond your toes. Keep your weight on your heels and push back up through your glutes to return to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. To increase difficulty, you can try jump squats, Bulgarian split squats, or pause squats for maximum leg development. Lunges. Lunges rank among the top bodyweight exercises for building strong, muscular legs while also enhancing balance and coordination. Unlike squats, lunges work each leg separately, helping to correct muscle imbalances and improve stability. They primarily target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes but also engage your core and lower back, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. One of the main benefits of lunges is that they boost functional strength by mimicking everyday movements like walking, running, and climbing stairs. Since lunges demand greater balance and control, they activate your stabilizer muscles, which enhances overall athletic performance. Whether your goal is stronger, well-defined legs or increased lower body endurance, lunges are essential for your workout regimen. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Take a large step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees form 90-degree angles. Your back knee should hover just above the ground while your front knee stays aligned with your ankle. Avoid letting it cave inward. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite leg. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps on each leg. To make it more challenging, try jump lunges or Bulgarian split squats. If you're enjoying this video and finding these exercises beneficial, Please do me a quick favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It not only aids the channel's growth but also ensures you stay updated with more powerful workouts designed to make you stronger, leaner, and unstoppable. Let's keep the energy high and move on to the next exercise. Push-ups. Push-ups are among the most effective bodyweight exercises for building upper body strength. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, giving you that powerful and solid appearance without requiring any equipment. Unlike machines or barbells, push-ups engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, forcing your stabilizers to work more intensely, which results in improved functional strength and muscle definition. However, push-ups are not just about increasing muscle size, they also enhance muscular endurance, strength on your joints, and improve shoulder stability. Additionally, since you're lifting your body weight, push-ups engage your core, making them one of the best exercises for full body strength. The best part is the numerous variations you can perform: diamond push-ups for triceps, wide push-ups for the chest, archer push-ups for unilateral strength, and explosive push-ups for power. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor, keeping your elbows at a slight angle. Push back up explosively, squeezing your chest at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. If you seek a greater challenge, try clapping push-ups or archer push-ups. Glute bridges. While many people focus on their abs and arms, it is crucial not to overlook the glutes if you desire a powerful physique. The glutes constitute the largest muscle group in your body, playing a vital role in leg power, lower back support, and overall athletic performance. Strong glutes enhance explosiveness, improve posture, and decrease the risk of lower back injuries by providing support to your spine. Glute bridges specifically target the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and hamstrings, helping to develop strong, firm, and powerful legs. This exercise also engages your core and lower back, enhancing overall stability and performance in other exercises such as squats, running, and jumping. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, arms at your sides. Drive through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the peak of the movement and then lower back down. Complete 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. For an increased challenge, consider trying single-leg glute bridges. Burpees. If you are seeking an explosive full-body workout that builds muscle while simultaneously burning fat, burpees are your go-to exercise. This movement engages your chest, arms, legs, and core while significantly boosting your endurance and agility. Burpees also elevate your heart rate, which helps you burn substantial calories while developing lean muscle. They are demanding, but trust me, the results are worth it. If your goal is to get shredded while adding muscle, burpees should become a regular part of your workout routine. To perform a burpee, begin standing, then drop into a squat position and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank, execute a push-up, then jump your feet back in and explode upward into a jump. That counts as 1 rep. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. If that proves too challenging, you can eliminate either the push-up or the jump to modify the exercise. These 5 bodyweight exercises will help you build incredible muscle without the need for any equipment. If you found this information helpful, please leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now go crush those gains, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.